Welcome back. I am back with another daily recap or trade recap because I haven't uploaded one of these in a couple days. But it's because I requested a payout. I was waiting a couple days for the funds to be taken out of my account and I can start trading those accounts again. So I was mainly on combines the past 2 days, or mainly just Wednesday because I realized that the funds were taken out of my account Thursday. So I was able to trade Thursday and Friday on my main three funded accounts. So I'm gonna show you guys my profits for the past or my progress the past 2 to 3 days and the trades I took today. I forgot the trade I took yesterday, but I'm gonna show you guys the trade I took today. But anyways, the past 2 days I was just mainly on combines. I passed two more express accounts. So these are the new two express accounts. I just got $1,000 each on both of them today, and I'm gonna show you guys the trade later. But I blew up my Alpha Futures funded account. Sadly, my mistake. I got greedy. I over risked. I was trying to finish the combine fast, which was my biggest mistake. I got $4,000 in one day actually trading New York AM. And then once Asia opened, I wanted to trade Asia, over risk and blow it up. So stupid mistake. I didn't follow my rules. I mainly let my emotions get to me. I wanted to finish really fast, and that is never the answer. You should be patient, accepting your daily progress, and never try to rush anything. But yeah, past two combines, blew up one combine. I'm not gonna open another one because I don't want the same thing to happen. I'm gonna wait till I get a payout with the new two combines I just opened on Top Step. Then I'll try again on another combine, trading it differently, realizing what I did and learn from my mistakes. And then this is the progress on my main three funded accounts. Yesterday I got 1.5k and today I got 765. Um, on Thursday I took a trade during Asia for $500 because we just started dumping after Asia. The past 2 days were crazy. The amount of points that we dropped was insane. And I took a trade New York AM because it looked perfect. I took another short and I got like $1,000 profit, so total 1.5. So really good to start off to end off the week. 2 days. I just need 3 more days for another payout, which I'm gonna request once I win the 3 days. But no rush. If I have a red day, I have a red day. I need to learn how to accept a red day because I am on a winning streak, and most people when they're on a winning streak, they don't want to see a red day, and that was me before. That was definitely me before when I had a winning streak back then on my other express account that I blew up. Once we see a red day, we don't want a red day. We try to do everything that we can to make it green, over risk, over trade, and I'm hopefully in the future, if it does happen where I lose a trade, could accept that it's gonna be a red day, and I hope I will, because that's just bad habits, and I'm gonna try to do everything I could do to prevent it. But yeah, I'm just rambling on right now. Um, I'm gonna show you guys the trade I took. So this is the I actually went back and I actually forgot that I set this on the trade I took on Thursday on TradingView. But yeah, this is the trade I took on TradingView. I took this right before work and I took it off on my phone, but I was looking at the charts while eating and I saw the setup. Um, I think there's like a 5 minute fair value gap. I don't want to. Let's go back. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. We got a 5 minute change. Came back up. Rebalanced to this 5 minute fair value gap. We were respecting this 5 minute fair value gap. We were respecting the 5 minute fair value gap. Got a 1 minute change out of that 5 minute fair value gap and a 15-second change probably somewhere up there. Respecting this 1 minute fair value gap. Oh, we disrespected it though, but I think we got a 15-second change in here actually. But I entered target at this internal low, stop at the high. So this was a trade I took Thursday for like $1,000. I think I sized in like 10 micros, 10 micros probably. I forget. I forget. I think it was like, yeah, whatever. But the trade I took today was actually, I took 2 trades today actually, one during pre-market and one right after, because the pre-market already looks so good. We created equal highs on NQ, but wait, actually it's not even equal highs. Oh yeah, it's not even equal highs. So we have an SMT here because ES already took out these highs. So yeah, that's, I thought it was equal highs, but it's we didn't take out the high. So even if it is equal highs, some people consider that SMT where ES takes the high, or ES takes the high and then NQ leaves equal highs, or vice versa. They still consider that SMT, but we didn't even take out the high. So yeah, we had an SMT there. We had an SMT there. We got a 5-minute change out of a 1 hour fair value gap, and we even tapped the 15-minute fair value gap too for a 1-minute change. But I was mainly looking at the 5-minute change because we tapped into the 1 hour, and higher time frames hold more power. So after the 5-minute change, was right here, I was looking at this fair value gap. I entered pre-market because I thought right out open we're gonna dump because we just been so heavy the past couple of days. So I entered with 1 micro at pre-market. This is where I went on the 1-minute chart. I entered 1 micro at pre-market, then I sized in another micro once we rebalanced back to this price. But then at market open, I got stopped out. I set my stop at the high of the 5-minute candle that formed the fair value gap, and that was a mistake. Once I saw market open, I was trying to move my stop up to the high, but I was on my phone screen recording the trade for TikTok, and I couldn't move the stop. I was literally moving the stop, and I couldn't do it, so I got stopped out. And then after I noticed this 1-minute candle respect the 1-minute fair value gap here, I entered again right here. I entered again with 3 micros with a soft stop. I didn't even set a hard stop because I was so certain that this low was gonna get taken out. It was like equal lows on the 5-minute chart, or relative equal lows. So yeah, took 2 trades. One I got stopped out for like a $200 loss. Another one, boom, perfect trade for like $1,000 profit. And that was it for today. So yeah, pretty good progress on the express accounts to end off the week. Hopefully next week's a nice good week too. But like I said, never expect to be green. I can't expect to get the payout next week. Just gonna be trading, following my model, following my rules. If the model shows up, I'll take it, and keeping my risk proper. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another trade recap.